What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best dash cams to buy right now. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Today's most advanced and powerful 4K video car dash camera with new advanced features that can keep ahead of its competitors. The ROVE R2 4K dash cam can record Ultra HD videos up to a resolution of 2160p, whereas its revolutionary Super Night Vision technology with a new advanced Sony Starvis sensor helps to get unmatched clear footage and images from the recording even in low light conditions. Moreover, you can have an undistorted video experience now with its new distortion correction algorithm feature. With its built-in Wi-Fi, you can use the ROVE app to view and manage dashcam recordings instantly on your iOS and Android devices. By using the app, you can download the recorded 4K videos directly to your smartphone and then easily share these on social media with friends and family. Its built-in GPS enables you to view your driving route in the tracker on Google Maps and accurately records your driving locations and speed. Moreover, the revolutionary ROVE R2 4K dash cam has state-of-the-art features such as f1.8 apertures, the largest in the industry. Auto-triggered parking mode makes the dash cam go into parking mode automatically when your car engine shuts off. 150-degree A+ wide-angle lens, G sensors, loop cycle recording, emergency video lock, time-lapse video, slow-motion video, and ensures an extended storage capacity by supporting up to 512 GB Class 10 U3 speed microSD card, which is the highest in the industry. Before choosing any dash cam, temperature guidelines are an essential factor that matters the most. ROVE R2 4K is designed and tested to function and withstand extreme higher heat and cold temperatures geographically. At ROVE, we provide how-to videos that will help you set up your dash cam in less than 3 minutes and explain all the features and details for under 30 minutes. On top of these, if you have any questions or concerns, we have a customer care team that is personalized and ready to help answer any questions or concerns or solve any issues that you may need help with. Purchasing the ROVE R2 4K comes with an all-in-one package. You will get an advanced 4K video car dash camera that has a meticulously designed hardware and a custom-designed beautiful firmware. We provide free firmware upgrades, free iOS and Android app updates, free GPS player for PC and Mac, and free lifetime customer support that is backed by a 1-year hassle-free warranty and 30-day money-back guarantee in case you have any doubts. ROVE R2 4K has so many advanced state-of-the-art features and technology packed in a single unit, where R2 4K is all you need that won't break your bank. So please, choose today's powerful, compact, beautiful software, user-friendly, and most reliable 4K dash camera, and secure your drive to a safer future with ROVE.
The Ring Dash Cam is a must-have for any car owner looking to ensure the safety and security of their vehicle. With dual-facing HD cameras, this device provides 24/7 surveillance of your car, giving you a better picture of any suspicious activity and helping you stay ahead of potential break-ins. The cameras are strategically positioned to capture any movement in and around your car, providing you with real-time alerts when motion is detected. In addition to its advanced camera capabilities, the Ring Dash Cam also features live view and two-way talk, allowing you to check in on your car anytime and communicate with anyone near your vehicle through the Ring app. This feature is especially useful if you need to provide instructions to a delivery driver or confront someone who is trying to break into your car. To enhance the functionality of your Ring Dash Cam, you can subscribe to Ring Protect Go, which provides on-the-go LTE connectivity, real-time alerts, and access to additional features. With Ring Protect Go, you can access your dash cam footage from anywhere, ensuring that you always have a clear picture of what's happening with your car. Overall, the Ring Dash Cam is an excellent investment for anyone who wants to protect their car and stay on top of potential security threats. Its advanced features and real-time alerts make it a must-have for any car owner. The 70mm Dash Cam Omni is an exceptional piece of technology that offers extraordinary day and night optical performance. The device comes with an f1.5 large aperture and the new PureCell Plus S HDR technology, which allows it to deliver best-in-class performance even in low-light situations. With its 360 degrees rotating full view, the Omni has no blind spots and can help monitor all directions around the car. It boasts a smoothly moving 340 degrees lens and 140 degrees field of view, which makes it easy to keep an eye on the road while driving. The AI motion detection feature is another remarkable aspect of the Dash Cam Omni. It can automatically detect suspicious movements around your car and follow up on them. The device comes with a hardware kit that allows it to function effectively. With its 60 FPS dynamic vision, the Omni can record clear videos even in fast driving or bumpy conditions. The eMMC storage technology used in the device ensures that data is retained without the need for power, unlike SD cards. The Dash Cam Omni also comes with high-tech effects overlays that allow you to add fun to your trips. You can merge live footage with high-tech sense effects in the Omni app and then post the 1-minute-long customized video on social media. The device's superb night vision, 60 FPS dynamic vision, and AI motion detection make it a great investment for anyone who wants to keep their car safe and secure. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is a compact and discreet car camera designed to provide high-quality video recordings of your driving experience. It features a 140-degree wide-angle lens that captures everything happening on the road ahead of you, even in low-light conditions. The camera has a resolution of 1080p and uses advanced HDR technology to ensure that the video footage is clear and detailed. It also has a parking mode that detects motion and starts recording automatically, ensuring that you have evidence in case of any accidents or incidents while your car is parked. The camera is easy to install and has a small footprint, making it an excellent option for those who want a discreet and reliable car camera. So that's it for the top 5 best dash cams to buy right now. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest video.